Good day, class. Don't let's forget that there is still a guardian land very close to the road you can use for your business so that your business will thrive. You want to build a school, you want to use it for your an accommodation you can live in, maybe a mini flat, 2-bedroom flat, a duplex, just anything, a virgin land that is very close to the express. Feel free to contact me. I will connect you to the seller, the owner of the land, immediately at a very reduced price. Let's solve this problem. Don't forget we still have our physical presence. Dreams Tutorial Center 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT is our location. Or you want to connect with us online, our number is displayed on the screen. Dreams Online Tutorial Center. Feel free to call or message that number. We will be ready to assist your work. We have started our classes on profit and loss, where we talked about just go and watch my other video. I'll be dropping the link in the description box or in the comment section. Feel free to go and learn more. Today we want to talk about percentage gain or percentage loss. Look at this question. A car dealer bought a second-hand car for 250,000 naira and spent 70,000 naira refurbishing it. He then sold the car for 400,000 naira. What is the percentage gain? So let's write the solution. A car dealer bought a second-hand car for, anytime you see the word bought, it means that is the CP, that's the cost price, and spent 70,000 naira refurbishing it. If you are a businessman, you have spent 250,000 naira to buy the car, and you paint or you remove every worn out tires, and the car look very neat. The total amount you use in buying the car is the addition of the amount you use in refurbishing it and the amount you use in buying it. So we are going to add 250,000 naira and 70,000 naira. So the cost price now will be 320. So the cost price will be 320,000 naira. So the selling price, we are told that he now sold it for 400,000. What is the percentage gain? The formula for the percentage gain is our profit, which is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100. So let's plug in this. Selling price is 400,000. Our cost price 320 over our cost price, that's 320. Because of the space, I'm going to multiply by 100, but let's see the result that is going to give us. 400 minus 320, that's 80,000. That's over 320 times 100. So let's cancel the zeros. We are left with 1 0 here. 8 here 1, 8 in 32, 4 here 1, 4 in 100, that's 25. So we have the final answer. Percentage gain is 25%. That's option C. Option C. Let's share this information to as many educational groups as we can. Let them come to the realization that a channel is actually giving out an important information so that their children or their world can benefit maximally. See you in my next video. Bye.